Today we're reviewing this ZYDIIE camera. This is such a cool little camera. It is 4K, Ultra HD, and it is super cute. I'm loving the old school kind of interface here. Oh, I gotta take off my... and it seems to have all the features you would want. It goes, you know, wide and tight pretty easily. Comes with this nice case and two of these batteries. One's already in there. And then this is the charger, and you charge the batteries in. So I kind of like to charge one battery, take it out, charge the next battery, so there's one to go. And this also will help you transfer your video to your computer also, and also play what's on here directly into a monitor, usually a computer. And this has a remote control, which will play what's on there. And then this was the case that the little 32 gig memory card came in. But you really want to know how it works. So now I'm going to insert some video of me using it so you can see the sound and also the picture from the actual camera. Okay, this is my backyard. So here is the view from my backyard, and I'll stop talking so you can hear the ambient sounds. Okay, this is in my kitchen in my quiet house, and I'm about 7 feet away from the camera so you can see how it picks up sound without any external microphone. So all in all, I think it's a pretty good camera. I love the nostalgia of the old school design, and I think it would be really great for family videos, maybe vlogging. So if you're in need of that, then I recommend you pick this up.